up, I wanted to talk about the different roles that there are within engineering. So there are the different branches, the different disciplines of engineering, but within those disciplines, there are also different types of engineers that you could be. So I think the most well-known one is design engineering. So design engineers are primarily focused on creating new designs of products or processes and improving upon the tried and true methods that already exist. This is a really cool field of engineering. So if you want to design, tractors or trucks, or if you like working with CAD modeling, this can be a really cool uh, field for you to test your creativity and challenge yourself with. The second one is test engineering. I think this one's really cool. So basically what test engineers will do is they want to test the reliability of products. So they'll basically run the product through several test cycles, and they'll run it over and over again until it fails basically. And the purpose is to know how far they can push that product before it finally fails. And that helps the design engineers then to create a better product down the line. Next up, we've got quality or manufacturing engineers. So I work with a lot of these. It seems like a really cool job. Basically, their job is to make sure that their product line is putting out the optimal product, that they're decreasing defects in the product, and that they're throwing away as few products as possible. They're just putting out quality product. I think this is a really cool job. It's not necessarily one of the most creative ones, but I think it can also be really rewarding. So, sales engineering, this is one of the engineering disciplines that I think people are a lot less familiar with. So, a lot of times a company will have a very technical product that they're trying to sell to a company. That company will have a meeting with a group of engineers, and basically they need someone who can sell that piece of equipment to that group of engineers. So in order to have someone who can sell that product, they have to have somebody that can speak intelligently about the product. Therefore, they have to be sort of a salesperson, but they also have to have the engineering background to be able to talk about the product that they're trying to sell intelligently. A normal salesperson wouldn't be able to do that sort of a thing. So I think sales engineering is often overlooked. I think many people don't even know about it or haven't heard about it. So if you're sort of good at being a salesperson, this could be a really cool path for you to take. So the next one is patent law. So if you get a law degree in addition to your engineering degree, you can actually go down the road of patent law, where you're basically a lawyer and you're helping your clients to determine whether or not they've crossed the line with their patent, or whether someone else has crossed the line and into the threshold of their patent and they're infringing upon that. So you will use your engineering and technical knowledge to know the product well, but then you'll also use your law knowledge to determine whether a law has been broken within the area of patent law. So this is the last one. This is research engineering. Research engineering is really cool because I talked earlier about how design engineers will use the sort of tried and true methods a lot of times as a template for the product that they're designing, but research engineers are the ones developing those tried and true methods. So they're at the forefront of engineering, discovering new ways to do things and new things that we even can do. It's a really cool body of engineering. It's something I'm definitely interested in getting into someday. But generally, because of the nature of the job, they require an advanced degree, graduate degree, or a PhD. Most jobs require a PhD. So if this is something you're interested in, it's definitely a cool field to get into. I mean, who doesn't want to get paid to do research? That basically sums it up. I hope this has been informative. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a lot. If you have any comments or any advice for me, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Thanks a lot.